Introducing the ultimate tea and coffee companion, our stainless steel water kettle teapot. Crafted with thicker stainless steel and equipped with precision filter holes, this versatile pot is perfect for brewing your favorite teas and coffees to perfection. Designed to be used on induction cookers, this kettle is a must-have addition to your kitchen. Elevate your tea and coffee experience with this high-quality, durable accessory that promises to deliver delicious beverages every time. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.